As Guyana joins the rest of the world in observing International Literacy Day, the Rights of the Child Commission this morning held a literacy and human rights workshop at the Grand Coastal Inn. Delivering the feature address was Prime Minister Moses NAGAMOOTOO, who underscored that children must be encouraged to read without discrimination or barriers.
Learning is a social value. No society loses if its citizens are learned citizens. It multiplies the value of the society. It makes you better. It makes you brighter. It makes you more valued.
The Prime Minister urged parents to inculcate the joy of reading in their children from a young age.
The books are going to guide you through life. The books are going to become the source of light, the fountain of light, to show you the direction that you should take, and that you should read, and read. There's no substitute to reading and learning. And I also want to encourage parents to talk to their children, to help to build from an early age their vocabulary, grammar, communication skills.
Prime Minister NAGAMOOTOO also congratulated the Rights of the Child Commission for their work and their programs which they have been implementing around the country. UNICEF resident representative SYLVIE highlighted that literacy is a very powerful tool for youth empowerment. FOUET noted that on September 24th, the United Nations will be initiating the Young People's Agenda.
It is really finding new ways to ensure every young people is in school, is learning, is trained, and is employable by 2030.
Chairperson of the RCC, Alima Nazir, noted that while the workshop is being hosted in observance of International Literacy Day, future workshops and programs to come have been designed to produce a positive reshaping and reorientation in the thinking, approaches, attitudes, and self-confidence of Guyana's adolescent children.
Such reshaping and reorientation is in keeping with the articles established and enshrined in the United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child. That is, to nurture and cultivate children and youth who can exert positive and constructive roles in their own lives, as well as at the levels of their families, communities, regions, and ultimately the nation as a whole.
The day's activity is being observed under the theme of literacy and skills development. GABREILA PATRAM for InfoHub.